Why is a crazy cat?
She's a crazy cat. Wait, wait, wait.
Poor big cat. Poor
There.
cat.
Then you can go look. There, you can get another color.
Break it. We'll break it.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Ouch.
Are you okay?
She scratches me. She's meanie.
Oh my
She wrote herself.
Poor cat, but okay. Let me do it.
No me hagas así.
Look it.
She's me. She wants her box.
Yeah.
Look, there's more to color over there. Look, there's a whole bunch. Oh, look, I like your heart, Mariana. It's pretty.
Cat. What?
Over here, girls, over here. Not too far away over there. Just here.
Hey, look. Where's she going?
I don't know.
I don't know what she's doing.
Ya te cansaste, mamás. Ya te cansaste.
Maybe try.
There she goes.
She goes?
There.
You want to go play, boys?
Hmm?
The boys.
Hey, baby.
It's cats. Look, are you ready to jumpy?
He's baby.
This is baby. Are you ready to jumpy?
That's baby. That's Nuggles. And that's Chula.
Oh, yeah.
Chula's over there.
Oh, yeah. That's it.
They're hungry. I'll probably give them something to eat right now.
Oh, my.
Okay, she's Chula. Okay, mamas. She's a big cat, right?
Oh, that's okay.
This is Chula. Chula, let yourself touch. I'm right here, Chula. They're not gonna do anything to you, Chula.
Yeah, so I did.
Oh, she's thinking you're giving her food.